Oh my god. That was too much. If only it wasn't too... I'm trying to think of that. Jesus. Oh. Burp and it's gonna be spicy. Places I would love to visit, but oh my god, I'm sorry. Everything in game is hand drawn, honestly, right now. What you got? I'm happy. Oh my god. Oh, fuck me. Oh god. Oh fuck me. Oh, here's one for the end. Miss like Marie Antoinette. I'm gonna faint. Oh god. I do love horror games. Oh god. Sorry. I'm sorry. Holy shit. Holy shit. Ugh. Dahlia raid, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry, but not today. So, yeah. Oh my god, that was so loud. Jesus, that scared me. To be able to go. We should meet up over there. Oh my, don't do that to me. I'm gonna burp. Oh my god, I told you. I told you. Let's party.
Now when I was a little boy.
Oh god. Now. Oh, Jesus, that was loud. Good. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. See. Oh, my God. Oh, Jesus. Apology. Hello. Oh, Jesus, that was aggressive. Hell yeah. Oh my god. Jesus. Sorry. Oh god. Oh shoot. I think you only shouldn't tattoo your face. Well. Oh Oh god. Is this the first burp? That's true. Oh fuck, that's also true. Oops. My bad. Oh god.